Programming a universal remote without the original remote or instruction manual.
Hello viewers. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to program a universal remote without having the device's original remote or instruction manual. It might sound challenging, but don't worry. We'll walk you through it step by step. Let's dive in.
What is a universal remote?
A universal remote is a remote control that can be programmed to operate various brands of one or more types of consumer electronics devices. Low-end universal remotes can only control a set number of devices determined by their manufacturer, while high-end universal remotes allow the user to program in new control codes to the remote.
How to identify the device codes?
The challenge in programming a universal remote without the device's original remote or instruction manual is finding the correct device codes. But here's a tip. Many universal remotes have an auto search feature that automatically scans for the device codes. This feature is your best friend in this situation. Here's the general way to use the auto search feature. 1. Turn on the device you want to control. 2. Point the universal remote at the device. 3. Press and hold the button on the universal remote for the device you're trying to program, e.g., TV, DVD, etc. 4. While holding the device button, press and hold the power button. 5. Wait until the power button light comes on and then release both buttons. 6. Press the power button repeatedly. The remote will send out a series of codes. When the device turns off, you've found the correct code. 7. Press the stop button to save the code.
What if the auto search feature doesn't work?
If the auto search feature doesn't work or isn't available on your universal remote, you can often find lists of codes online. 1. Find the manufacturer and model number of your universal remote. 2. Search online for the code list associated with that manufacturer and model number. 3. Enter these codes manually one at a time into the universal remote until you find the one that works. And that's it. Programming a universal remote without the original remote or instruction manual is absolutely possible. While it might require a bit of patience, the convenience of controlling all of your devices with one remote is certainly worth the effort. We hope you found this video helpful. Happy programming, and see you in the next one.